a dense jungle. There lived two boys with their mother. They were not rich and they were not poor. They had money, whatever needed. And then they decided that they can go to the beach. And they asked their mother, Mummy, please. No, you should not go to the beach. Please, Mummy, please, let us go to the beach. No, you can't go to the beach alone. Please, Mummy, please. Okay, go safely. And they were overenjoyed. They packed water bottle and some snacks for eating. Everything was there in their backpack. They took the backpack and they started to walk. And when they came outside the forest, they saw a bus which was going to the beach. So that they ran and sat inside the bus. And when at the last station, beach came. They ran to the beach in the beach sand. They were very happy. And then he saw two boys who was disturbing a turtle. And then they went and told not to do like that. He obeyed his elder and he left. So the turtle started to speak. How are you speaking? How are you speaking? And then he told that I am a magical turtle. I can do anything. Can I take you to our kingdom? Our queen will be very excited to see humans. So he told okay, and then they went inside the kingdom. When they were on the way to the kingdom, they saw a fish who likes to eat jellyfish. And then he saw a plastic cover. That fish saw a plastic cover, and he thought that was the jellyfish. So that he tried to go and eat that. And these two boys saw this and they told, no, this is not jellyfish. This is plastic bags. So that you should not eat that or else you will die. So check properly that it is jellyfish or this plastic covers. And then they told thank you. And then they went and told everyone that should not throw plastic bags on the seawater, and all the sea animals are harmed. So everyone should follow this, and all the sea animals will be happy and they will live happily. This is not just a story for entertainment. This is an eye-opener. So, next time when you go to the beach, carry an additional bag with you, put all the dust inside and throw it in the dustbin at home. Sea is not a dustbin. Sea is nature. Without nature, no mankind.